scared of the carpet, but she's not scared of this floor. Mom and Papa went to pick up the kids. So now I'm going up.
Sorry.
Where's Kuya there? I don't know how I'm gonna do laundry because Caliyah
It's
won't
okay.
be put down. She's so scared of the carpet down. Okay.
Everyone do baby shark. Baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 mommy shark do do. Mommy shark do do do.
Okay. She's so scared of the carpet.
I'm gonna eat the camera. This is how big the camera is, you guys. I can show you.
Okay, it's okay.
Shiny, shimmering splendor. Tell me, princess, when did you? So, yeah.
You finished the whole thing, Pete. Oh my goodness.
I can open your eyes now. Giant frozen. The red one. Do you say the red one is gas? It says. Do you say the red one is gas? It says guys. Yes. Right there. Distracted. But G is the other way. It's the other way.
I have to do the laundry, honey bunny.
Okay.
She won't be put down. Ay, shh. Okay. Ooh, baby girl. Oh. Okay. Hi, everybody. So this, here's the big girl. This is our laundry room, I guess. I can't find my other laundry soaps in my fabric softeners, but I have this one. I guess I'll use that. This is the first time we're gonna use these. Quite a pile already of dirty clothes to wash, so I thought I'd get started today. First time ever to use it, baby girl. Baby girl, and we still have some stuff here in the living room, or in the, I guess, in the family room.
Hi guys. So today there's our TV, and then it's like this. Now you zoom in. There, do you see it? It's a moon. Hey.
I'm not gonna be honey bunny.
And there's Sky right there. See the make sounds now. So guys, if you want to be with her, be nice to her. You take care. See you guys. And here's my stinky feet.
I finally found something that Caliyah will be put down in. It's a little. Hi, honey. Oh, careful. Kuya Jiro. Okay. A lot of stuff to put away still. Here I am. I'm gonna start to sort the laundry. I'm just here, honey. Just here. She doesn't want to be separate from mommy. Yay, we found a place Caliyah's not scared of the marble tile we have here in our washroom floor. Yay! She's scared of the carpet, but she's not scared of this floor. Hey, girl. Jiro, be gentle. Jiro, hindi niya maintindihan. She can't understand that. Okay. I'm wishing you could put more shelves here later on. No, not right now. Gentle. Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Oh. Whoa, giant eyes. Good.
Hey, look at us.
Kaboo! Okay, Google, stop. Caliyah's mom and Papa went to pick up the kids. So now I'm going up. I'm gonna do the laundry for the first time. So then get done. So some of our stuff here left to unpack. This is my laundry now. Here again. Okay, so I still don't have all my laundry soaps and fabric softeners. Sorted all the whites and then do all the darks and colored the laundry. Okay, so go. I'm gonna close this and just gonna see. Okay, where you put our soap. Normal. Okay. I'll do hot. Spin. Be high. Swell level normal. Okay. Let's try that. That's a normal. Ooh. Gotta sort out these ones now. Okay. minutes to go. And it's done. Okay, this one is it's all done now. I'm gonna transfer it in the dryer. Since this is the first time I'm gonna use it, the vent is still clean. This is the cleanest it'll ever be. Okay, let's just gonna pour some stuff here to the dryer. Some of the stuff, like the t-shirts, I hang up, so I'll do that later. See you in a bit. So these ones I'm gonna hang up to dry, because I don't want them to shrink or anything. Okay, it's the first time I'm gonna use this dryer, so let's see. Normal dry. Medium. Do my colored now. Okay, I'm going to do my colored now. Let's put it in. These ones are the ones I scrubbed. It has like Caliyah's code had poop stains, Jiro had nosebleeds, some stains. I had to couscous it, make couscous. Had to scrub it in the sink just so it stays off. Okay, let's load it up. Okay, these are the socks, little socks, like all the 3 kids' little socks. I put them in nets so they don't get separated. It's easy to find. And I'll put everything else in there. Okay, these ones go in there. All right, right. Okay. Okay, I poured all the soaps in. Let's close it. Turn it back on. We'll have to make do for now. It's done. Oh, nice and very warm. I love the feeling of laundry done. Yeah, I fold it really fast actually. Fold. It's a cute sound it makes when it's done. Okay, all that, time to put in the dryer. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the lint. They take it off before. How do we open this thing? How do I open this? Oh, okay. So a little latch at the back. Yep. So I guess I open this. We open it and we put this in the garbage. Okay, all full.